Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to calculate internal rate of return IRR in Microsoft Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And let's suppose that we have these investments here, and if you want to calculate the IRR of these investments here, so what you're gonna have to do, basically select an empty cell here like this one here, and you have to type a built-in formula. So enter equal and then type IRR and then enter the bracket here, and then select all of these values here. As you can see that it has selected these values from A1 to A4, and then close your brackets here and select next cell, and here you can see that we have successfully calculated the IRR of these values, which is 9%. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.